Hey YouTube, today's video is going to be about how I start my seeds for my tower garden, how I add them to the growing medium, and how I add them to my tower garden once they're ready. I'll even show how I harvest them once they're ready to be harvested. So it's not going to be a progression video, but just a couple of steps up to harvest time. With that being said, let's get into it. It's been about 7 weeks of growth, and what I do is sometimes I'll come out in the morning and just pick off old leaves if we're not eating anything off of it and there are leaves on here that needs to be removed. I'm actually gonna harvest all the lettuce plants off of here because our weather has gotten a bit warmer and lettuce does not do well in hot weather. So I'm going to pull all the lettuce out and replace them with my celery plants that I have inside that have started. They're really tiny, but I think they'll still do well regardless. These are these are callaloo, and they're going to seed already. I don't know what the problem is because callaloo is a heat tolerant plant, and it's not gotten like extremely hot here, so I'm not sure why it's going to seed so quick. This is a lettuce, and you can see it's going to seed. Look how tall it's grown. It's ridiculous. Let me go on this side. It has grown really tall, and that is an indication that it's ready to go to seed. And usually by this time it's pretty bitter, so yeah, now is the time to pull all these off and eat them. These are my collard green plants. Everything on the bottom are collard greens. This is this right here is broccoli, and this one is cauliflower. That's it. Yeah, this right here is cauliflower. It's growing really weird, but it'll be fine. This is kale. My kale plants did really well last year, and they're gonna do just great this year also, I can tell. This is broccoli also. And this is another kale. I planted too much kale last year, so that's why I only have 2 this year. I was giving away so much kale last year. It was crazy. This is bok choy. That's the regular green bok choy. And I have the purple right here. It's so pretty. Tastes so good too. So that's about it as far as the plants that I have going on here. Oh, I also have a beet. I'm not sure if it's gonna survive this, but we'll see. Here's my thyme, my herbs, and this is where I've already taken out lettuce, and that's the celery plant. And I have a few more spaces to add plants to. I removed lettuce from here and one from there, and I'm gonna replace those with celery, and we'll just watch them, you know, grow and see what happens. Celery plants love cool weather, and you know, Florida's weather is like a roller coaster. I don't know what is going on with Florida's weather. We get every weather in one day right here. We experience everything in one day. Look at that bok choy. That is so beautiful. So yes, guys, this is the Tower Garden. And all is wonderful glory. So that's mainly all I have planted on here, guys. Just collard greens, broccoli, cabbage, kale, bok choy, and lettuce, and thyme, and celery. Some celery. that's it, guys. That's my tower garden. That of course was my fall plants. We are actually in spring now, so I have all new plants growing on my tower garden, which will be in another video coming up soon. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.